I'm standing here on a fishing pier, Colonial Creek South Campground, Diablo Lake, North Cascades National Park. This is that little fishing pier area from 64 to 73, a walk-in tent-only campsites. And look at how gorgeous this is. Our little sloped railing here is to help facilitate fishing, from my understanding. And look at that. Oh, my friend, that is gorgeous. We've got an ethereal foggy mist, very magical, and the sun trying to break through. A little bit of a glisten on beautiful Diablo Lake. This, my friend, right here is why you come to North Cascades National